Hi everyone, today in ReadTech I'm gonna give some programming classes. I think maximum 10 or more, depends of how much things I can find to teach you or what things you want me to teach you. If I'm able to do it, I will do it and upload a video. So first of all, I want to take you to some basic programming class. So what I will do is to start with one program, simple one, and this one we're gonna start improving it. So we will use more variable, less variable. We will use classes. We will include object oriented. We will make structures. We will tell you the difference between a structure and classes. Also, I will start using libraries. I will teach you how to use them. So, for example, we will start with this basis program. It is gonna be only an addition. You can see we run it. It will request the data to the user, and it will give you a result of the addition. So write the first number, let's say 12. The second one, let's say 20, and the result is 32. So this one we're gonna improve it a lot. From this basis, it will become like a professional code. So continuing, there are things that you should know that I think everyone should take care of before programming. So first of all is logic. How good is your logic? It will be seen in your software because everyone have a different logic. Everyone have better logic than others. People think sometimes different, so you will have the same results using different logic. So you need good information beforehand to make a good program. So the more information you have, the best decisions and the best approach you can use using your logic. Second one is procedures. So if you have a good logic, you can have a good way of working to make your program work perfect. So you have a good logic, you can create a good procedure, and your program will work the way you develop. So now we have common sense. I think this is the most important. The basic level of practical knowledge and judgment that we all need to help us live in a reasonable and safe way. So if you have common sense, your software will be really good. So we can raise, for example, one question. If I gonna work uh, with some publicity program, I need to understand which person I'm working for to make the best software for them. I'm not the end user. The end user is other people. So let's keep in mind. Try to put on the shoes of the people who is gonna use your software. Make it so good that you won't have errors. This will help you to avoid errors. So flow diagram. I think this is really important. For me, is the thing I do before writing a program. I put my ideas in a flow diagram. For example, this software that I show you, I put it in this flow diagram. So first of all, is the start. Every symbol you see here or every drawing means something different. So these circles you can use it for start and end, and this in the middle is means that you are giving an input or an output. So we start our software, we ask for 2 digits, as you can see here. Please write the first number and second one. Then second you show the result. So here I show the result, and then it finish. So this is, we put our logic. We're gonna do a calculator that have an addition. So our logic will be sum two digits. This is our software only gonna sum two digits. Then, what are our procedures to do it? We need to ask the user for the two digits. So common sense. If I don't write this, please write the first number. Or if I don't write this sentence, this is a calculator that only performs addition, then the user doesn't know anything. So you have to have common sense. Who is gonna use it? Who is my user? So I request and I tell them specifically first number, second number, and then I show this is the result. And just to finish this first video, and to become an expert, I think you need motivation, dedication, and curiosity. Curiosity is very important because this help you to improve your knowledge. This give you more expertise in specific fields. You can try different stuff in your software to make it better. You can try new things. Think outside of the box. As I explained before, you should put on other shoes so you can understand the requirements and give the best software you can. You have other also to put in other shoes. You can see the big pictures and avoid bugs are possible for the lack of knowledge on the topic. This means if you don't know for who are you working, or you don't have a basic knowledge of what is your software going to be used, you cannot give the best software. It's always gonna have problems because you didn't take care of the first team to put on the other shoes. So here, for example, we're gonna start from basic, then we're gonna improve it. For example, we can take two lines from here that make our code shorter. Like for example, instead of results, we can add digit here, digit 1, digit 2. So we do the addition here, we avoid one line, and then we don't need this variable here. So we are avoiding two lines to do our software. So this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If you have any comment, please write it down and give it a like, share it, and I will be back with you in the second video. Bye bye.